I need you to make another art video so your channel doesn't evolve into an Overwatch montage showcase.
Easy, I'll just bullshit for 4 minutes. Where's the alcohol? Alright, who threw that?
Pool days, hot tops, with my blue face, ice pops.
Welcome to a Mr. Miyagi tutorial on how to draw. Today we'll be looking at what makes up 90% of your body mass. And no guys, it's not your dick. It's the body. Your body makes up 90% of your body mass. Which surprises no one. Okay, the first thing you want to be doing is gathering reference material, which is an art word for stuff we copy bits off of to make ourselves look original when in reality we're not. So, I'm really sorry, but you gotta stare at a lot of naked bodies. Seeing them in real life is also a plus, but to be honest, your sex life is kinda like my streaming schedule, in that it's infrequent, kind of embarrassing when it does happen, and ends in disappointment for all parties involved. Now, you might think a good place to start studying is by looking at yourself, seeing as access to your own naked body is in no short supply, but we don't want to draw ugly people, and the only alternative solution I've come up with involves a baseball bat, binoculars, and a vat of industrial strength chloroform. So, for now, you'll just have to settle for the internet. Now that you've got your reference, we can begin. All bodies are built from the same basic steps. Firstly, we find a picture of a camel, because camels are the Swiss army knife of the art world. Then we get rid of all the bits we don't need. Now that the hard part is done, we can add in our details from our reference material. As you can see, camels provide unparalleled flexibility. You can make any pose out of camels. They are truly nature's best creation. Yo, what's up?
Has anyone ever told you how much of an idiot you are?
There's lots of different styles of bodies you can draw depending on the character and artistic effect that you want to achieve. And me being the ever so charitable figure will be giving you guys a crash course in a couple examples, with emphasis on the crash part. Number 1. The I've been driven over by a steamroller. This type of body is great for beginners because it completely disregards the third dimension. Focus a lot on replicating that wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man look. A good tip is to add extra long limbs and a sun in the corner of the page for moral support, because it symbolizes the faith that you have in your art that your friends and family don't have in you. Usually, art including this type of body is accompanied by a cool interactive component I like to call turning down my monitor's brightness, because f*** me, your colors are more saturated than a molecule of methane. Number 2. The she's got a great personality. Yeah, all 2 of them, am I right guys? No, her eyes are up there. Honestly, the nerve of some people. I would say girls usually have the advantage here in the immediate on-hand reference department. I say usually because, well. Number 3, the he's got a great personality. Yeah, all 2 of them, am I right girls? High five! Equal opportunities, I take the piss out of all of you. I remember when I was younger and figuring out how to draw squishy body parts as well, and my father gave me great words of Chinese wisdom.
画2个篮球在身上就好了，人太笨，当然不会发现。
Number 4, the washboard. Now with this particular body, you are aiming to create a chest that could, for all intents and purposes, double as a spirit level. You are channeling all manner of flat, chopping boards, sheets of paper, you're singing, this coke, my ass, you get the idea. Number 5, the what is a leg day. These people grew up with the lifelong ambition to become isosceles triangles, which is great for us because it means they are comparatively easy to draw. And finally, not forgetting the most important one of all. Number 6. The I can't even draw stick men. If all else fails, a simple and effective style solution. See? Anyone can do it, and now you can too. The fuck? Okay, just put that here. Okay, I swear I've got this. I can't draw stick men. No, there's no way. Anyone can draw a stick figure. Get rid of this. All we gotta do is just drag this line over here and... come on, I call bullshit.